Best programming languages for AI careers.
This is artificial intelligence is shaping the future of technology, and knowing the right programming languages is essential for anyone looking to build a career in AI or machine learning. This overview highlights the most important languages to learn, their primary uses, and how they fit into today's AI landscape. Let's explore the key options for aspiring AI professionals.
Python, the top choice for AI.
Python stands out as the most popular language in AI development. Its simple syntax, vast libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and active community support make it ideal for beginners and experts alike. Python is widely used for building machine learning models, natural language processing, and computer vision applications. Its versatility ensures a strong foundation for anyone pursuing an AI career.
R, data analysis and statistics.
R excels in statistical computing and data analysis, making it a great asset for AI professionals focused on analytics and research. It offers powerful packages for data visualization and statistical modeling, often used in data science and deep learning projects. While less common in production environments than Python, R remains a key language for experimentation and exploration in AI.
Java and C++ performance and scalability.
Java and C++ are valued in AI for their speed and scalability. They are frequently used in large-scale applications, robotics, and real-time systems where performance is critical. Java's portability across platforms and C++'s fine-grained control over system resources provide important advantages for more advanced and production-ready AI solutions.
Other notable languages for AI.
MATLAB is commonly used for rapid prototyping and working with mathematical data. Julia is gaining attention for its speed and ease of use in numerical computing. Some AI researchers also use Scala and functional languages like Lisp or Prolog for specialized tasks. Exploring these languages can offer unique advantages in certain AI domains.
Choosing the right language for your AI career.
Selecting a programming language depends on your career goals and project needs. Python is a must-learn for most paths, while R, Java, and C++ broaden your options. Mastering one or more of these languages will equip you for success in artificial intelligence, giving you both the technical skills and flexibility needed in this fast-evolving field.